Señora Deputado Ana Gomes.
Mrs. Ana Gomes. Thank you very much, Mr. President. If there were coordination between Member States and the European Union, we could do more and do better to help the populations of Iraq and Syria to survive the barbarisms of the criminal gang called Islamic State that's provoking a crisis of biblical proportions in the region. We could support the military campaign that the Kurds are conducting bravely to fight against Daesh occupation of towns, and we could help the Kurds and Shiites and others in the region and the hundreds of Christians who've recently been kidnapped. We could do more to support the organization of networks to free the slaves, including thousands of women and children. And there were some who managed recently to escape from Mosul who need urgently medical assistance from the European Union. Words are not enough. We could help more with humanitarian aid. What we pay for is desperately necessary in Iraq and Syria. If this was properly coordinated and directed, then we could have, for example, schools in the refugees camps. And above all, there are old pre-Islamic communities in the region which are being persecuted. They need to be persuaded that there's a future for them in Iraq and Syria.
Deputy David Campbell-Bannerman, ECR Group, 1 minute. Take a floor, please.
Mr. President, Daesh or ISIS has embarked upon a campaign to eradicate all traces of religious and faith communities other than those representing its own twisted interpretation of Islam. Christians, Yazidis,